You guys about to go down the hill. The baby. Guys, we're gonna make a riding video soon. After this video, it's a Easter special because I make so many for Easter. I got a SD card, so that means I'll be able to make a lot of videos. Like when I mean by a lot, I mean like 1,000. They're coming. Yeah. Go down the hill. Motorcycle gang. Go on. You guys better not fall, because then I'm still putting it on YouTube. Guys, ready? Just hurry up and go. Recording a video. What? Just go on. My bike is right here.
Well, I didn't know whatever came. I didn't know after that.
Just do it. I'll do it. I'll let you do it the second time.
Put all your stuff in the trunk. Time to go.
Out.
It's easier, actually.
Can I show the license plate? Ooh, shoot. Go already. Go already. Go already. You guys better go. You guys better go. Let's go! Just real quick. Oh, he's going. He's going. He's going. He's going. Are you okay? I'm still putting it on YouTube. I have to. Most subscribers? God.
I ain't doing that, no. I'm not going back up there.
Did you have to fall? Did you? Okay, I gotta end the video.